Hi, this is Maggie from Rock Paper Copy, and this is a free audit of the website sensigravesbikini.com. I'm on the home page, and I really love the quality images in your sliding banner. I love that you inform about the benefits. So every bikini sold, one tree planted. So you've got eco-friendly tagline for active women, sustainable, functional, perfect. The top menu is a little bit difficult to see. I would work on making it stand out a little bit more. I only noticed it because I knew to that Shopify has got top menu, but it kind of displays because it's small and it's against busy images. So think about making it a little bit stand out a little bit more, perhaps adding this kind of semi-permanent top panel, so the menu stands out a little bit more. It will help you improve your conversion rate a little bit further. So you've got featured collections here. Okay, perfect. Made in the USA from recycled fabrics. So it's not a upselling information. So it's perfect. So for different sizes, really good quality images as well from different shots. Okay. So obviously you've been reviewed by Grind TV. Eco-friendly, sustainable, very good quality images, I have to say. I love this. So it shows the image from close up. Very nice fabric. So this is obviously the fabric used on this bikini. Really, really lovely. Okay, and this is a range of different designs. So obviously for surfers, for active women, so you've got very defined target customer that you appeal to. So this is absolutely perfect. Okay, so you've got footer navigation with links to your extra policies and social media. I'm not sure if you noticed, there could be a little bug with your top menu. So for example, if I scroll on the shop link, if I wanted to go to the links to select any of those links, kind of menu disappears for me. So it looks like it's a little bit too, it's probably just an issue with the sticky menu because I'm not at the top. However, it can also affect your conversion rate because you cannot control how people browse your website, how people interact it. So make sure to fix it because it can definitely affect your sales. Yes, as I'm at the top and this menu works perfectly. However, with the sticky top, there is a gap between the top link and the drop down link, which can affect sales. So make sure to fix it. Your collection page looks great. I love the color swatches so I can shop by color, I can shop by design, which is really, really fantastic, very user friendly. It can definitely help you boost sales. So this is perfect. I would make the product titles a little bit more SEO friendly. They are too generic. For example, Alexa top just doesn't show. Okay, it's like when I hovered, there was a different image. So obviously there's an issue with the hover, with the product swatches hover. Um, I understand that these are two different designs. So think about user experience. Maybe it's a different way of organizing the content. If you've got two different designs of the same top, perhaps it makes more sense to have it as separate products. Because people won't, if they see the first image on the swatch, they won't realize that there is a different design available as well. However, going back to the product titles, Alexa Top just isn't descriptive for Google enough to say, this is Alexa Bikini Top. So much more SEO friendly product title would be, eco-friendly Alexa Bikini Top, or eco-friendly sportswear, or sustainable recyclable. you've got the idea. You can be creative, and you can make so much more justice for this product than just adding Alexa tab. So you can have fun with those products, make them descriptive, make them SEO friendly, make really much easier job for Google to put you in relevant search results, which in effect will help you bring more relevant traffic that is more likely to convert as well. The product title looks great. I love that you've got add to cart button above the fold. So I see a little bit of description. I see available sizes, also different designs. So this is good. Okay, and also link to a size guide. Okay, so it's very user friendly, opens a new window in a pop-up window. I can see it clearly, so that's perfect. Okay, a little video about your products, about your brand, so that's perfect. You may also like related items for upselling, cross-selling. Yeah, the product page looks very, very good. Okay, on About Us page, I can see that the brand name is actually your name, so this is very, very trustworthy. This is building rapport. People see that you are actually, you represent your brand, you are a kiteboarder, and so they can trust your choice because you know which fabrics work best. This is really, really perfect. Really nicely created About Us page. Perfect. Okay, your team page looks very, very good. So you've got different contributors. All of them have got similar interests as you. So this is absolutely perfect. So it's like a huge branding, huge team that works towards appealing to this specific target customer. So that's perfect. Okay, retailers look good. So I see that you are in a number of retailers would build your authority, build your trust. So you are an established brand. It looks really, really fantastic, really, really impressive, I have to say. The size guide page also is user friendly. I would make these tables, especially this one. It kind of disappears. It's a little bit difficult to see, so make it like super super big so people don't have to um you know don't have to struggle reading it. Like this size is good. However, this one could knock off some SEO points as making the content not suitable for all users, which Google is very sensitive on that because it very important for search engines is to make the website accessible for all users, even with those visually impaired. So having those elements that are a little bit difficult to see can be an issue, definitely. So you've got returns and exchanges information here. I would also add your shipping page so people know right away how much is the shipping, if you ship worldwide. Okay, you've got information here, but it also would be useful. It kind of disappears. It also would be useful to have separate page to inform people, yes, the shipping is free, and yes, we ship worldwide, and this is how long it takes to each location. So to answer, to answer those questions before they become concerns. Your contact page looks great. You've got different email addresses. I would also use page contact template with Shopify to display a message form. It kind of feels like that the message was displayed here. Maybe you were using an app, but it disappeared. So make sure to fix it as well. I hope you liked this audit. If you did, please leave a positive review on my Trustpilot profile. And if you would like to speak with our Shopify expert and ask about any information contained in this critique, if you would like to learn more how to optimize your website for conversion, how to drive more traffic from Google, please book a free chat. The details are in the email. And this free chat is a non-obligation 15-minute chat available for everyone who got the free audit. So don't miss this opportunity to speak with a Shopify expert and ask about any questions you might have. Please book a chat now, and I look forward to speaking with you soon. Thank you so much for your time. It was Maggie from Rock Paper Copy. Bye bye.